Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the place you are watching for. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to our page. I greet you with your time, guys. Thank you for your coming, thank you for your watching. God bless. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, dipende dove sta guardando questo video. Saluta voi come vostro adesso, benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto nel nostro canale. Oggi facciamo pancake salata. Today guys, the recipe of today is solid pancake, salty pancake. Okay, it's not every time we eat pancake as a breakfast with pancake. Sometimes we use another thing to eat pancake as dinner, as lunch. That's why I want to create this. That's why I create this recipe to show you guys. Okay, ingredients we need for this salad pancake. We need our 50 grams of tomatoes. As you can see, I already sliced my tomatoes here. We need 100 grams of bacon and our cheddar, any cheese at all. Okay, that is for the filling. For the cream, to do the pancake, we need 1 egg, 80 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 ml of milk, and 50 ml of oil, 50 grams of grounded cheese, and our teaspoon of baking powder, black pepper, and pinch of salt. Ingredienti che serve per quello pancake salata: abbiamo il nostro uovo, 50 grammi di formaggio grattugiato, 50 ml di olio di semi, 100 ml di latte, 80 grammi di farina 00, cucchiaio di lievito per dolce, pepe nero, pizzico, sale. Per guarnizioni, per guarnire a scelta, io uso pomodoro, 50 grammi di pomodoro a scelta, come ho detto, prosciutto cotto, un po' di formaggio, sottiletta. Voi potete usare quello che volete. Okay guys, let's start. We have to put our oil on our bowl. Take one clean bowl. Okay, place our oil and our egg. Take the plain bowl, our milk, and mix. Then we add our cheese. Mettiamo il nostro formaggio grattugiato, our flour, baking powder, nostro lievito, pinch of salt, and our black pepper. We have to mix everything together, guys. We already mixed our dough. Now we have to bake it for pan. Guys, our pan is already hot. We have to put 1 spoon inside the pan, just like this. We need small pancake, not that big one. Okay, we have to leave it to cook for this side 2 minutes, then we'll change it, cook for the other side another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we have to change it the other part. Dopo 2 minuti cambiamo e cuocere l'altra parte. Guys, it's set now. We have to bake our pancake all like this. We have to do all like this. Noi fa tutti il nostro pancake così, cuociamo tutti così. Guys, as you can see, our pancake is set. We have to take 1 clean plate, 1 clean bowl. Just put our pancake here. Nostro pancake pronto. Mettiamo il nostro prosciutto, our bacon, tomatoes, nostro pomodoro. I hope you guys can see it very well. Okay, you can do your filling, any filling of your choice. If you don't want to use tomatoes, you can use onions, any filling of your choice. I had our cheese, any cheese as well, cheddar. I'm using solita from cheese. Ok, poi aggiungi formaggio a scelta. Io sto aggiungendo solita. Ok, a scelta quello di formaggio, puoi usare elementare. qualsiasi formaggio puoi usare. So you can see I've already put my cheese. Now we take another baton from un'altra prosciutto cotto, così e chiudiamo con un'altra pancake. Voila, I'm going to do this as well, the same thing. Okay, just I want to do one to show you guys. This is our salty pancake. Voila, è pronto il nostro pancake salata. Guys, now we have to cut our pancake. Tagliamo il nostro pancake the way it will be easy for you to eat. Okay, or you can easily take it like that, like sandwich, just like this, and eat. Yum, so yummy. Guys, our recipe is set. Il nostro ricetta è pronto. Se piace quello ricetta, cosa stai aspettando? If you love this recipe, this salty pancake recipe, what are you waiting for? Just give a thumbs up and give a try on this recipe, and share this video with your family, with your contact. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you already subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. We'll see you on my next recipe, we'll see you on my next video. Ciao ragazzi, se piace quello ricetta, cosa stai aspettando? Dopo di share sono dimenticato per dividere quello video con i vostri contatti amici. Dimenticate per iscrivervi al nostro canale se tu non ancora fatto. Se hai iscritto qua prima, grazie a Dio di benedica. Ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video, ci vediamo nel nostro prossima ricetta. Provatela, ragazzi, fammi sapere su come. Guys, share this recipe and try it, and leave your comment on the description box below. I love you guys. Thank you for your watching. I'm going to do a lot. I just want to do this one to show you. Io vou fare tanti, faccia varie mondo, salata, quello che vuoi facciala. Però io ho fatto uno per far vedere. Grazie a tutti, un bacio. Io ti voglio bene. Thank you all guys. I love you. I just want to do this one. I will use salad as well. I have a lot of pancake I do. So I just want to show you guys just one example. So you can use it anything to do filling. Anything you like, our salad, any type of salad, you can easily use it. Thank you guys for your watching. God bless. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.